Happy holidays, everyone! It's Jared with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be showing you how to sublimate aluminum ornaments from Unisub. If you've pressed a Chromolux aluminum photo panel before, you'll notice how preparing and applying transfers onto these Unisub ornaments is very similar. Made from high-quality aluminum with a white base layer for sublimation, Unisub ornaments are designed to display your images in beautiful, vibrant color, even with their compact size. To prepare the transfers, we'll be using a Sawgrass SG500 printer with TextPrint XPHR paper. To properly sublimate these ornaments, you're going to need a heat press, like this 12 by 15 inch swing-away HPN Craft Pro. So how do you make an image fit inside the ornament? At Heat Press Nation, the sublimation ornaments we sell come with template files, ready to be used with supported design software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and CorelDRAW. You can import your image, resize and fit it within the imprint and safety areas, then print it mirrored once you're satisfied. For sublimation printers using Sawgrass Print Manager, print jobs will be mirrored by default, which allows you to continue making adjustments normally in your design software. Since most ornaments are small, you can also prepare multiple images in one page. Now that your images have been printed to the appropriate size, you can cut around one with a pair of scissors. Place the ornament face down on the image, and then use heat tape to keep the two together. As a tip for thin substrates like these ornaments, you can fold a portion of the tape, then attach it to both the paper and the side of the ornament. This way it's easier to remove the tape by simply pulling the fold up. After taping, let's go ahead and turn on the heat press. The pressing settings will vary for different kinds of sublimation ornaments. You can check on heatpressnation.com or the manufacturer's details on how much time, temperature, and pressure is needed for your ornament. In this case, aluminum Unisub ornaments require these settings: 60 seconds at 385 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. However, you'll still need to take other factors like your local climate, your heat presses or printer's condition, and so on into consideration if you're looking to fine-tune for the best results. One cool thing to note is that you can place as many ornaments as you want on one press, depending on the size of your heat press. Once the machine reaches temperature, place a sheet of parchment paper on the lower platen and add the ornaments on top with the paper side up. Cover the ornaments with another sheet of parchment paper and press. When the heat press is done, open it up and take the ornaments to a colder spot to let them completely cool down. Afterwards, go ahead and peel the transfers off. Here are some sublimated aluminum ornaments, and they look great. Even though they're a little smaller than the other products, they still keep their full resolution and vibrant colors. For a comparison, here's a full-sized aluminum photo panel with the same picture as one of the ornaments. As long as you're printing and pressing with the right settings, your aluminum ornaments will look as crisp and vibrant as the larger photo panels. However, these ornaments can stand out further with one addition. By flipping one to its backside, you'll see that they're actually two-sided. You can either apply the same image here or go with something else entirely. To learn how to cover both sides of aluminum ornaments, stay tuned for a video from us that presents how to use the more advanced fold method with these items. Otherwise, these ornaments are going to look great hanging on a holiday tree or wherever you decide to display them. You can let your creativity really shine whether designing one or both sides of the ornament. There's just one more thing to add to each ornament though. Let's tie things together real quick. And there you have it, they're now ready to hang. You're now ready to press sublimation aluminum ornaments. And if you'd like to share with us any cool ornaments that you've pressed, feel free to join our Heat Press Nation Creators group on Facebook. In our group, you can show off your work and not only get help from our reps, but also fellow experts in the hobby and business of heat transfers and customization. Visit heat.press/FB group to learn more about our community. For more details on sublimation ornaments, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, get in touch with the My Expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. Well, once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday season.